Life on Venus by Marley, Layla, Maya, and Solomon. How many planets is Venus from the Sun? Venus is the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest planetary neighbor. It is one of the four inner rocky planets, and it's often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and density. Venus is exactly 2 planets away from the Sun, or a total of 67 and 291 million miles from the Sun. Days on Venus. However, while Venus' atmosphere rotates quickly, the planet itself has the slowest rotation of any major planets in our solar system, meaning day and night last quite a long time, about 120 Earth days each. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than to complete one orbit of the Sun. Venus' day is a total of 116 days and 18 hours. The length of a year on Venus. The length of a typical year on Venus is 225 days. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. The planet orbits the Sun faster than the Earth. However, so 1 year on Venus takes only about 225 Earth days. Venus's name. Venus is the third brightest object after the sun and moon. Was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is the only planet named after a female.
What is the surface like on Venus? Surface temperatures on Venus are about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt land. The surface is a rusty color and is peppered with crunched mountains and thousands of large volcanoes. Venus has crushing air pressure at its surface, more than 40 times that of Earth, similar to the pressure you encounter a mile below the ocean on Earth. Another big difference from Earth and Venus, it rotates backwards. Moons on Venus. Why doesn't Venus have any moons? Most likely because they are too close to the sun. Any moon with too great distance from these planets would be in an unstable orbit and be captured by the sun. If they were too close together, the planets would be destroyed by tidal gravitational forces. Does Venus have any rings? For a planet to have rings, it must have formed further out in the solar system where water and ice would be able to freeze into chunks of ice. It's too warm around Venus so that any water would be able gas or liquid. What is tilt on Venus? Venus, it has a very small axial pull, 3 degrees versus Earth's 23.5 degree dense attic atmosphere produces a greenhouse effect.
Temperatures on Venus. The greenhouse effect on Venus causes the temperatures at its surface to reach 864 degrees Fahrenheit and 462 degrees Celsius, making Venus the hottest planet in the entire solar system. Water on Venus. The atmosphere of Venus has water vapor, just like Earth's atmosphere. The surface on Venus is harsh and unlikely to contain liquid water despite being similar to size and to Earth. Okay.
No life on Venus, with extreme surface temperatures reaching nearly 462 Celsius and 863 Fahrenheit, and an atmosphere pressure of 492 times that of the Earth's conditions on Venus, makes water-based life we know unlikely on the surface of the planet.
Fun facts about Venus. There are yellow clouds on Venus. Venus is named after a Roman goddess of love and beauty. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. Thanks for watching. Bye!